Hey guys, Dave Dean Hunt here with Dabu Designs. So what I've got here is the first demolding of a couple Omnibot, or actually Radio Shack Robie Junior tires. So these are still pretty soft. Let's do a quick inspection. So these are pretty good. As I've said on some of my previous videos, I have extra flashing here. The flashing gives me greater control over trimming these up to make sure they look as good, if not better, than the original. So these are still really green, meaning that they're still rather soft, considering I just cast them probably 30 or 40 minutes ago. They're easier to trim when they're softer because they're a little more flexible, but they're also easier to screw up on. So it only takes one little slice in the wrong direction to booger one of these up. So let's see what we got here. That looks pretty doggone good. What we have here is a Radio Shack Robie Junior brand spanking new tire in the year 2020 from a 1980s robot. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching.